Borough Market, one of the most iconic markets in London, embraces the celebration of Sant Jordi, St. George, which is not only the saint patron of England, but the Catalan one. Roses, books, and the proud of being Catalan merge on April 23rd. Sant Jordi is one of the most important celebrations for Catalans living in Catalonia and also for those who live abroad. That's why the tradition is spreading worldwide, as Catalans insist on keeping his favorite holiday alive wherever they are.
We feel proud to have this sort of festivity that, as I said, is not our national day, but it's a very Catalan day. We feel that it's a tradition, but it's very civilized. This day, last year, we saw more than 7 million roses in Catalonia. This is incredible because we have a population of 7.5 million.
So as we say, it's a rose for love and a book forever. So our tradition states that you have to buy a rose to all your beloved girls and women, and a book as well to all your beloved men.
It's a very, very special day. I mean, it's especially when you're abroad, as I've been in the UK for over 12 years, and finally we share the same patron saint here, and so it makes it all very, very special. So it's a wonderful day to spend outside and make the most of it.
Actually, if you ask me, it's the most beautiful day in Barcelona and in Catalonia. With all the towns, are full of stands with flowers, with roses, with books. And it's actually the day that I feel more melancholic and feel a bit more homesick. But luckily we are here celebrating, and we are trying to bring a piece of Catalonia to London. So hopefully we'll have a lot of fun today as well.
According to the tradition, St. George was a brave cavalier who saved a beautiful princess and a whole terrified town from a fierce and hungry dragon. After killing the beast, a rose bush emerged from the dragon's blood, and Sant Jordi took a rose from it. He gently gave it to the princess, and she couldn't help falling in love with him. That's why men give roses to the beloved women on Sant Jordi's Day. Then, mixing it with International Book Day, the second part of the tradition was added. Women should give books to their beloved men. Nowadays, roses and books are the main attraction of the celebration, no matter who do you give them to or receive it from. Although Sant Jordi in London was held on Sunday 26th, the spirit of the celebration wasn't affected. Roses, stands promoting Catalan culture, bookshops offering a wide range of publications in English and Catalan about Catalonia's culture, history and singularity, but also many fiction books that achieved international success. Added to that, the celebration in Borough Market was an homage to Catalonia. Food, wine, his famous champagne called cava, but also plays, traditional dances as sardana, and the performance of Catalonia's most famous choir, l'Orfeó Català. And that was the moment, the Orfeó performing Al Cant de la Senyera, one of the most emotive anthems for Catalans that led to huge applause and the feeling that such a special celebration was, another year, a big success.